Hi, it's Adri. Today, I'll present Pictalk Buddy's smartwatch module. To use the smartwatch module, you'll need a smartwatch. If you have one, make sure it's an Android Wear OS watch with a version higher than 3. Alternatively, you can check our recommendations on our online guide. Now, to install the application on your smartwatch, you can do it either from your phone or directly from your watch. When the application opens, it will display a pairing code that you will need to copy onto your phone. To do this, we will go to the smartwatch section. Then, we will click on the Pair button. And then, we're going to enter the code onto the phone. The watch appears in your menu, and at the same time, you should see the smartwatch begin its synchronization. Synchronization can take several minutes. The application's first page shows the event currently in progress. It also displays the time of day and how much of the event has elapsed. By clicking on the current event, you can get more information and read it aloud with the blue button.
Proceed to the bus stop.
If you swipe to the right, you will arrive on the second page of the application. This page contains a list of all your scheduled events. You can click on any particular event to view its detailed information. Just like in the main phone application, events can have associated sequences. You can click the Sequence button to complete them directly from your watch. If the event has an associated address, an Open Map button will appear, taking you to Google Maps. Similarly, if an event is in task mode, 2 Validate and Reject buttons will appear. You can validate the task from your connected world. A validation indicator will appear on the watch and on the phone, and a notification will be sent. Now, we're going to look at the third page of the application, which is a list where you'll find all your sequences. Finally, the last page of the application is a communication page where you'll find a list of 25 essential pictograms to communicate on topics like politeness, emergency situations, and simple requests. At the moment, this list cannot be modified, but it's a feature that has been requested and we will implement by spring 2026. To conclude this tutorial, we're going back to the watch's application list. In addition to having the Pictalk Buddy application, there is also an icon that lets you go directly to the communication section, and a final icon that allows you to access a timer application. Thank you for following this tutorial until the end. We are a non-profit organization, and your subscriptions allow us to exist. So thank you again for your support, and we'll see you in a future tutorial.